Farewell, oh farewell, sweet dancers in the wind. I see you are prepared to come with me the long way home again. Farewell, my beloved, I whisper to a fading flower, there's so much life in dying after all. This time you can go to sleep. This well-known melody rises up above the orphan trees. Rejoin the restless wind, bequeath scarlet rain to haunted leaves. Through this decay, you can see her, how she wonders, how she cries silent tears. Midnight's coming all too soon, and she has to end what she's begun. Come near to me. I know you are frightened and I can't keep you safe, but see, there's nothing holding you anymore. So please don't insist on the ways. And now I see your eyes, your broken beauty is my pride. There's so much life in dying. Take my hand, rest your head and seek relief. Open her head and her fingers for a pretty hold for you. Her eyes are staring right through you, and you, can you see yourself in them? Sweet dancers, there is nothing holding you anymore. Please come with me, my dear. Now autumn tears begin to freeze, and I'm willing to leave.